Hello everyone, the Inazuma Warrior here, and today we're going to play Inazuma 11, Blizzard, the second episode. I just want to say thank you for watching this, and it's just vacation, and I'm not here right now. I'm like just happy with my vacation right now, because I had a rough year. So I think I must go back to Inazuma Warrior. Yeah. Uh, we we are now by the clip room. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Mark is just talking. Don't talk too much. Find a way to get underground. Yeah. He. But I didn't know Mark was that strong. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Yeah. Head underground and investigate. Ooh, spooky. There is. What's his name? Oh yeah, Detective Smith. You crazy. Kidding. Uh. Head for the main underground chamber. I'm just waiting to battle. But yeah, guys, I want to say thank you. The second time that I say that in this episode, or the third, I don't know. But thank you for watching my channel right now. Yeah, I'm not doing anything right now. Wait, what just happened? I don't know what just happened. There's something, yeah, unreal. I don't know. I don't know what was that. Wait, what? Just what are you doing? Wait, I'm sorry. There was something going on a few seconds ago. I don't know. Yeah. Kirkwood has just eliminated with their triple Z triangle Z. I mean, they just eliminated. Eliminated confirmed. Illuminati confirmed. Just kidding. No, really. Illuminati confirmed. Oh no, why Black Bull? It's just Illuminati. I saw a triangle with one ball in the middle. Oh, Illuminati confirmed. Illuminati confirmed. I'm sorry. Yeah. It's hard to believe, but it seems that we attacked by a football team. It seems ridiculous. I know it seems ridiculous, but judging from their power, they may be who they say they are. Oh no, they're aliens. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Don't be ridiculous, Mark. Yeah. I want a battle. I want one match. Just one. Yeah. Yeah, I know how to battle. This is the first time I play Blizzard, like I said, yeah, in the previous episode. But yeah, I think I'm going to play Ogre if I play this game out, yeah. If I win this game, then I will play Ogre Japanese version or English version, I don't know. But I will play it. I guess so. And yeah, yeah. Finally a battle. Finally. Jude. Yeah. Jude. Just go there. Yeah. Nathan. Nathan passed the ball to Mark. Jude. Kevin can only Kevin can shoot, right? Yeah. Dragon Crash. Oh, ships. Oh no. Yeah, I can shoot it. I just forgot that I can't do a shot. I hate Satsu technique. Mhm. Yeah, that was easy. That was easy. Go to Umbrella Junior High. And yeah. Just going to Umbrella Junior High and then Facet. Yeah, Facet. How you want to say it? How you want to call it? Um, Go to Umbrella Junior High and then play the aliens, I think. Yeah, it's just the same like Firestorm. So I know how to deal with it. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's just a new intro right now. Yeah, the first intro for this channel. So I hope you like it. Please give a like for that. And yeah, I hope you liked it. My yeah, it's just the first intro, so it's not the best one. I just made other intro that meant not for this channel, just for yeah, separate from this channel, for the fun of it. Mm-hmm. I was just thinking on which thing I shall crop. I shall crop on the under screen, I think. Yeah, the screen below, not the screen above. Yeah, I hate this battles. Just kidding. But yeah, I want to fight the aliens, but I know I won't win. It's just yeah. It would be easy if I won, but of it will be easy if I won't win. But yeah, this is part of the storyline. So oh yeah, there they are. There is Mark and the other members of Raymond Junior High. And here's Janice with Gemini Storm. Yeah, with Gemini Storm. I will. I think I will do. Yeah, with school times, 2 videos a week or one. Yeah, the minimum is one. I think. I really want to get in Inazuma, like a few months ago or years. Wait, no, not years. I think the first video was like 12 months ago or 11, no, 12 months ago, not precisely. Yeah, but 12 months ago. I'm sorry, my English is not good enough for this. I think it gains a little bit better with, yeah, but with this channel I want to accomplish my best English, or just want to get my best English out of me. So yeah, I want to get my best English out. That's it. I want to get more subscribers and yeah, more friends. Like the people who are now subscribed on me, they're just great. I don't know how much subscribers I have. I just forgotten it. It was like vacation. I'm just going to forget Inazuma. No, it was not like that. It was like I don't like Inazuma 11 Go 2 anymore. But I like it right now. Yeah, it has a good story. It's not, yeah, it's not real, but it's just more fantasy. Inazuma is fantasy, so. hmm And yeah, I had fun in my vacation. I think this video is coming out today or something. Today is, yeah, just the day that I record. When it is coming on, it's right now, just the day when I've recorded it. Yeah. And yeah, 1-0 or nil 1 0 1 0 1, I think, and half time. So yeah, we're not going to lose, but who is coming right now? The best striker from this Inazuma. No, from this match, I think. No, now the best striker is Sean Frost. But hey, the best striker from Rainbow Junior High right now is Axel Blaze. Until Sean's gone. Sean is the best striker. He's better than Kevin. I don't know if he's better than Xavier. Xavier is good. He's really good. I could not compare Sean with Xavier, I think. But I will be always for Sean. So yeah, that's great. Ten. What? Yeah, yeah. It's nil 10. Yeah. It's yeah, yeah. I have no words for that. And in the second half, it's nil 10. So it's magic. It's magic, mate. It's magic, lad. And yeah. Yes, Mark, he will do it. He will save this one. Use got to handle. And then we will do Inazuma break. I didn't know Mark was that fast. Wait. Not at this moment. Wait. Well, wait. Just got to handle. In your face. Face, rain. In your face. Yeah. And then the ball's going to Jude. And I don't know why Mark's so fast, but yeah, he's going to do Inazuma break with Mark and Axel. And they are so fast. Just Mark is so fast from a goal. He just passed the ball to Jude. They're going to do Inazuma break. And yeah, where's Mark? He was in the goal. No, right now he is a striker. So yeah, it will be 1-10. But wait. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. He just got the ball. But what kind of lamb shot was that? How can he do that? What's his gourd? His gourd is, I think, 1,000 or something like that. He's just got the best gourd ever. I think he's the best keeper ever. He's better than Mark. Oh no, what are you gonna do, Nathan? What you gonna do? Flurry dash? Nope. Nope. He tackle? Nope. Nope. Just go away. And where's the ball? Oh no, no. I saw this cutscene just 100 times. Where's the ball? Just get wrecked in your face. Bro, that's the best shot ever. Yeah. It's not better than Sean's shot. But they are not human. No, they're aliens. You're so dumb. You're so dumb. They are aliens. They're saying they're aliens. They are not human. Oh, I will not spoil. No, I will not spoil. Don't think I will spoil. No. No. Alias Academy. Over. Gemini Storm has won this match. And what's going to... Oh, wait. What's going to happen? Yeah. The school is going to get wrecked. Sorry. I had to say that. Yeah, schools get wrecked. Yeah, it's all your fault, Mark Evans. It's all your fault. And yeah, everyone in the hospital, not everyone. Yeah. But I think I'm going to stop here. Yeah, I think that. I think if I'm going to stop here, it's better. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this part. Yeah, episode 2 of Inazuma 11 Blizzard. And yeah, we're just going to wait if the scene is over. But yeah, I would say like and subscribe if you liked it. And yeah, the scene is over. I will... Yeah. I'm going to cry. But yeah, guys, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye bye.